You're fine. All righty. Nurse Shannon is expecting. Come on, let's zoom up on the baby. Okay. She's cute.
Yeah.
She's very cute. Okay, here we go. So this is the way I adjust a pregnant girl. So this is called an anterior thoracic. I'm going to put my hand at her T8 vertebrae. She's going to lay on my hand. Perfect. Okay, good. And now, grab your shoulders there, young lady. Take a big breath in. Blow it all the way out. Blow, blow, blow. Relax, relax. Oh, that was amazing. So it's safe, it's effective, and no pressure whatsoever on the babino.
No.